In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pepperstone in Tradingview. If you're looking to streamline your trading experience by seamlessly integrating these two platforms, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring that you can follow along with ease. First, head over to the Tradingview website. Tradingview is a robust charting platform, and connecting it to your broker can give you a more integrated trading experience. So, simply open up your web browser and go to Tradingview's homepage. Once you're on Tradingview, look towards the top of the page where you'll notice several options in the menu bar. What you want to do here is click on the Supercharts option. Supercharts is where you can view detailed financial charts and access a comprehensive set of tools that Tradingview has to offer. Clicking on this will open up the chart where you'll be doing a lot of your analysis and trading activities. With the Supercharts open, take a look at the bottom of the chart. You'll find a set of tabs there, and you'll want to focus on the one labelled Trading Panel. Clicking on the Trading Panel tab provides access to various brokers that integrate directly with Tradingview. This feature is key for executing trades right from Tradingview without having to switch between different platforms. After opening the Trading Panel, you're going to see a button that says Show All Brokers. When you click on this, Tradingview will display a list of brokers that you can connect with. This list includes many well-known names from which you can choose according to your preferences or existing accounts. Now, let's move on to selecting the broker you want. In this case, you'll want to find and select Pepperstone from the list. Pepperstone is a popular choice among traders for its competitive pricing and efficient services. Selecting Pepperstone will prompt you to follow through with the connection process, which might require you to enter your Pepperstone account details. And that's it. You've now successfully connected Pepperstone to Tradingview. By linking these accounts, you gain the ability to execute trades directly through Tradingview's platform while benefiting from Pepperstone's outstanding brokerage services. This seamless integration allows for a more efficient and streamlined trading experience, helping you to stay focused on what's most important, your trading strategy. So, as you continue to develop your skills and strategies, remember that integrating your platforms like this can offer greater convenience and efficiency, ultimately enhancing your trading potential. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.